ಅತಿಥಿಗಳನ್ನ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಯೂತ್ ಸಮಿಟ್ 2025 ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೃಂಗಸಭೆಗೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಸಚಿವರು ಹಾಗೂ ಗಣ್ಯಾತಿ ಗಣ್ಯರು. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಜೋರಾದ ಕೈ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಅವರನ್ನು ಮಗದೊಮ್ಮೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾ ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಹುರಿದುಂಬಿಸುವಂತಹ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ವಿಶೇಷ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ನಾನು ಮಗದೊಮ್ಮೆ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಇದೀಗ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನ ಮುಂದುವರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. The culture is the heartbeat of youth, presenting a vibrant welcome Indian tradition. ಇದೀಗ ನಂದ ಗೋಕುಲ ತಂಡದಿಂದ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದಂತಹ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ನೃತ್ಯ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಮುಂದೆ.
गरज गरज आज मेघ घनन घनन छायोरी चमक दमक चमके बिजुरी कहत है ऋतुराज आयोरी. गरज गरज आज मेघ घनन घनन छायोरी दमक दमक चमके बिजुरी कहत है ऋतुराज आयो कहत है ऋतुराज आयो कहत है ऋतुराज आयो री. निसारे मम मने मम निसारे सा निसारे मम मने मम निसारे इसरुत के संग रंग हरित रंग में धरा. इसरुत के संग रंग हरित रंग में धरा सब विहंग आज रंग देख रंग ये हरा. इस रुत में आज तू भी अंग अंग रंगले तार की झनकार छेड़ संग में मृदंगले घुमण घुमण काली घटा घुमण घुमण काली घटा रौद्र रूप धर के धरती का रोम रोम धड़के धड़के झन 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 बरसे. गरज गरज आज मेघ घनन घनन छायोरी दमक दमक चमके बिजुरी कहत है ऋतुराज आयोरी. मम बनि मम प मम बनि बनि मम प मम नि प रे रे मम बनि बनि रे रे मम बनि रे मम बनि रे मम बनि रे 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 बनि मम रे रे मम बनि रे मम बनि रे मम बनि रे 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 बनि मम रे 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 मम बनि रे मम बनि रे मम बनि रे 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 बनि मम रे. गरज गरज आज मेघ घनन घनन छायोरी दमक दमक चमके बिजुरी कहत है ऋतुराज आयोरी.
ಭಾರತಾಂಬೆಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಸೌಹಾರ್ದತೆಯ ಮಡಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆದಂತಹ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಕಾಣುವಂಥದ್ದು ವೈವಿಧ್ಯತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏಕತೆ. ಇಂತಹ ವೈವಿಧ್ಯತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏಕತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಶಾಂತಿ ಸೌಹಾರ್ದತೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಕಾಪಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಆ ಒಂದು ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಯುವ ಜನಾಂಗವನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರೇರೇಪಿಸುವುದು, ಹೇಗೆ ಸಜ್ಜುಗೊಳಿಸುವುದು, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸ್ಪಂದನಾಶೀಲಂತಹ ಪ್ರೇರೇಪಣಾ ನುಡಿಗಳನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಡುವುದು ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿದಂತಹ ಈ ಬಾರಿಯ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಯೂತ್ ಸಮಿಟ್ 2025 ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಘಟಕರು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ವೇದಿಕೆಯತ್ತ ಬರಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಜೋರಾದ ಕೈ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ವೇದಿಕೆಯತ್ತ ಬರಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ದಿನೇಶ್ ಗುಂಡೂರಾವ್, ಹಾನರೇಬಲ್ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಹಾನರಬಲ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ವೆಲ್ಫೇರ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಅಭಯ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಜೈನ್ ಸರ್ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಮಮತಾ DS ಗಟ್ಟಿ, ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ಯೂ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಷನ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಅರ್ಬನ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಥಾರಿಟಿಯ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಸದಾಶಿವ್ ಉಳ್ಳಾರ್, ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಯೂತ್ ಎಂಪವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಚೇತನ್ ಆರ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಎನಪೋಯ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಯ ಚಾನ್ಸಲರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎನಪೋಯ ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ಲಾ ಖುನಿ ಹಾಗೂ ವೈಸ್ ಚಾನ್ಸಲರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಂ ವಿಜಯ್ ಕುಮಾರ್, ಪ್ರೋ ವೈಸ್ ಚಾನ್ಸಲರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ BH ಶ್ರೀಪತಿ ರಾವ್, ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ KS ಗಂಗಾಧರ ಸೋಮಯಾಜಿ, ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ NSS ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರತಾಪ್ ಲಿಂಗಯ್ಯ, ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಶ್ರೀ ಪ್ರದೀಪ್ ಡಿಸೋಜಾ ಹಾಗೂ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ S ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಜೋರಾದ ಕೈ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗಿವ್ ಮಿ ದ ಬಿಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಗಿದರ್. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ DHO ಆದಂತಹ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ತಿಮ್ಮಯ್ಯ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ವೇದಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಅಲಂಕರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಸೊ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಸನಾತನ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆದವರು. ಬಂದಂತಹ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ಬಹಳ ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯವಾಗಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸೋ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇದೀಗ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಎ ಸೋಲ್ಫುಲ್ ಇನೋವೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸೋಣ. ಇದೀಗ ಪ್ರೇಯರ್. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಎದ್ದು ನಿಂತು ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೇಯರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಇನೋವೇಷನ್ ಡಿವೈನ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ಸ್. We now presents a soulful invocation.
من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. والضحى والليل إذا سجى, by the morning brightness and the night when it covers with darkness. ما ودعك ربك فما قلى وللآخرة خير لك من الأولى. Your Lord has not forsaken you, nor he is displeased. And indeed, the hereafter is better for you than the present. وَلَسَوْفَ يُعْتِيكَ رَبُّكَ فَتَرْضَىٰ أَلَمْ يَجِدْكَ يَتِيمًا فَآوَىٰ. And your Lord shall soon give you, so you shall be pleased. Did he not find you an orphan, then he sheltered. وَوَجَدَكَ ضَالًّا فَهَدَىٰ وَوَجَدَكَ عَائِلًا فَأَغْنَىٰ. And he found you lost of the way, then he guided you. And he found you poor, then he enriched you. فَأَمَّا الْيَتِيمَ فَلَا تَقْهَرْ وَأَمَّا السَّائِلَ فَلَا تَنْهَرْ. Then as for the orphan, so do not be harsh. And as for the beggar, so do not repel. وَأَمَّا بِنِعْمَةِ رَبِّكَ فَحَدِّثْ. And as for the bounty of your Lord, do proclaim. صدق الله العظيم.
This shloka is from Bhagavad Gita, chapter 2, verse 47. Om karmanyevadikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana ma karma phalaheturbhurma te sangusva karmani. This shloka emphasizes that one's focus should be on performing their duty without being attached to the results or fruit of their Thank you.
The Book of Psalms, Psalm 23. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. He restores my soul. He leads me in paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil, my cup overflows. Surely, goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I shall dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Praise be to you, God. Amen.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ದೈವಿಕ ಒಂದು ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದವನ್ನು ಕೋರಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಆತ್ಮವನ್ನು ಸ್ಪರ್ಶಿಸುವ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಇದೀಗ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್. So now let us now stand together and sing the Nada Gita, a symbol of unity and pride for our state.
जय भारत जननीय तनुजाते, जय हे कर्नाटक माते, जय सुंदर नदी वन गणनाडे, जय हे रस ऋषि ಭೂದೇವಿಯ ಮಕುಟದ ನವಮಣಿಯೇ,
ಗಂಧದ ಚಂದದ ಹೊನ್ನಿನ ಗಣಿಯೇ,
ರಾಘವ ಮಧುಸೂದನರವತರಿಸಿದ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ, ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ. ಜನನಿಯ ಜೋಗುಳ ವೇದದ ಘೋಷ, ಜನನಿಗೆ ಜೀವವು ನಿನ್ನಾವೇಶ, ಹಸುರಿನ ಗಿರಿಗಳ ಸಾಲೆ, ನಿನ್ನಯ ಕೊರಳಿನ ಮಾಲೆ, ಕಪಿಲ ಪತಂಜಲ ಗೌತಮ ತಿರನುತ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ, ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ. ಶಂಕರ ರಾಮಾನುಜ ವಿದ್ಯಾರಣ್ಯ ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ ಮಧ್ವರ ದಿವ್ಯಾರಣ್ಯ ರಂಗ ಷಡಕ್ಷರಿ ಪೊನ್ನ ಪಂಪಲ ಕುಡಿಪತಿ ಜನ್ನ ಕುಮಾರ ವ್ಯಾಸರ ಮಂಗಳ ಧಾಮ ಕವಿ ಕೋಗಿಲೆಗಳ ಪುಣ್ಯ ರಾಮ ನಾನಕ ರಾಮಾನಂದ ಕಬೀರರ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ, ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ. ಭೈರವ ಹೊಯ್ಸಳರಾಡಿದ ನಾಡೆ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಟಳರ ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಬೀಡೆ, ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಶರಾವತಿ ತುಂಗ ಕಾವೇರಿಯವರ ರಂಗ, ಚೈತನ್ಯ ಪರಮಹಂಸ ವಿವೇಕರ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ, ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ. ಸರ್ವ ಜನಾಂಗದ ಶಾಂತಿಯ ತೋಟ, ರಸಿಕರ ಕಣ್ಗಳ ಸೆಳೆಯುವ ನೋಟ, ಹಿಂದೂ ಕ್ರೈಸ್ತ ಮುಸಲ್ಮಾನ ಪಾರಸಿಕ ಕೈಲರುದ್ಯಾನ, ಜನಕನ ಹೋಲುವ ಸೊರೆಗಳ ಧಾಮ, ಗಾಯಕ ವೈಣಿಕರ ನಾಮ. ಕನ್ನಡ ನುಡಿ ಕುಣಿದಾಡುವ ಗೇಹ, ಕನ್ನಡ ತಾಯಿಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ದೇಹ, ಜೈ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ, ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ, ಜೈ ಸುಂದರ ನದಿ ವನಗಳ ನಾಡೆ, ಜಯ ಹೇ ರಸ ಋಷಿಗಳ ಬೀಡೆ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಗರ್ವದ ನಾಡಗೀತೆಗೆ ಕೈ ಜೋಡಿಸಿದ್ದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಧನ್ಯವಾದನ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಇದೀಗ ಬಂದಂಥ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಪೂರ್ವಕ ನುಡಿಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಯೂತ್ ಎಂಪವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಚೇತನ್ ಆರ್ IPS. So to formally commence this gathering, we invite the Commissioner to welcome address.
This Global Youth Summit 2025, an international conference which is something special for the first time it's of its kind in India. It's a dynamic initiative co-organized by all these organizations. For this global gathering, the inauguration program is going to start in a few minutes. For this inauguration session, our Honorable District In Charge Minister, Sri Dinesh Gundurao sir is also Minister for Health and Family Welfare. He has come and graced the occasion. I cordially welcome you, sir, for this international event. And he inspires the youth. I cordially welcome you, sir. Dr. M, Vice Chancellor of this university, he is also gracing this occasion. I welcome you, sir. Sri Abhay Chandra Jain, ex-Minister, Youth Empowerment and Sports, he is also gracing the occasion. I welcome you, sir. Srimati Mamta D.S. Gatti, President, Karnataka Cashew Development Corporation Limited. Madam is gracing this occasion. I welcome you, Madam. Sri Sadashiv Ullad, Chairman, Mangalore Urban Development Authority is also gracing this program. We all welcome you for this program. Timmaya, DHO of the Dakshina Kannada district, is also present in this program. We welcome you. Pratap Lingaya, State NSS Coordinator, is taking a lot of initiative and efforts to organize this program. We welcome you, Pratap. This is a historic moment, the first of its kind in India, a dynamic initiative organized by State NSSL, Department of Youth Empowerment and Sports, Government of Karnataka, in collaboration with Enopoya Dimutubu University. Together, we have created this vibrant space for idea. More than just an event, it's a powerful moment for change. Here, cultures converge, ideas ignite, and new bonds are forged in spirit of the global unity. Over the next few days, we will witness conversation that spark innovation and initiatives that reimagine the future. This platform is designed not just to talk, but to act. As the young people who are the drivers of this transformation in their communities, countries, and the world. Not just the dignitaries on the stage, I also welcome us bringing talent and perspective to this gathering. I welcome all the dignitaries and eminent speakers who are going to be there for the next 2 days in this global event. More than all, the young delegates who have come across the world, you people travel will be vibrant in this campus. This summit will definitely ignite, innovate, and spirit as the theme of this summit goes. So I hope this won't be just a slogan. It will call to an action and celebrate a creativity and commitment to collective change. Let's make this summit a turning point in thought, in vision, and in action. Once again, a warm and respectful welcome to all our dignitaries, guests, and young leaders. May the Global Youth Summit 2025 be an unforgettable and transformative experience for all. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
Dignitaries on the dais and all the delegates who are present here. The Global Youth Summit 2025, organized by the State NSSL, Department of Youth Empowerment and Sports, Government of Karnataka, in collaboration with Enepoya deemed to be University, is a landmark international event dedicated to empowering young leaders for the sustainable and inclusive future. Held from June 4 to 6, 2025 in Mangalore, Karnataka, The summit brings together 750 plus youth delegates from across India and 18 countries. We have 21 eminent youth achievers and distinguished speakers from Sri Lanka, Thailand, Ghana, Russia, and various states of India. This is the first of its kind youth leadership conference in India under the state government's initiative, showcasing Karnataka's commitment to youth empowerment on the global platform. Key highlights of this summit is climate action and sustainability, digital transformation and future of work, global health and well-being, social justice and inclusion, innovation, entrepreneurship and leadership, peacekeeping and conflict resolution, keynote addresses by global change makers, youth action hubs and solution labs, policy dialogues with real world impact, cultural exchange programs fostering global unity, NSS recognition and leadership sessions, innovation showcase by youth entrepreneurs and startups. The main purpose of this summit is to inspire, educate, and mobilize youth towards transformational leadership, cross-border collaboration, and community-driven impact. The summit serves as a launchpad for youth-led solution, enabling participants to connect, create, and commit to social change. This historic gathering is a celebration of youth voice, vision, and vigor, making Karnataka the epicenter of global youth dialogue in 2025. Thank you one and all.
Now, I request light signifies knowledge with Shubham karoti kalyanam arogyam dhana sampadaha shatru buddhi vinashaya दीपज्योति नमोस्तुते दीपज्योति नमः असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतंगमय ओम शांति शांति शांतिः
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Today, the Government of Karnataka and the National Service Scheme, NSS, and the Enepoya University and the Youth Services Department have come together to organize this Global Youth Summit and this international conference that we have just inaugurated. We have some distinguished people on the dais. The Chancellor of the University, Mr. Abdullah Kuni, and the Commissioner of the Youth and Sports, Shri Chetan, and of course, the Vice Chancellor, Dr. M. Vijay Kumar, our former Minister, Shri Abhay Chandra Jain, and all the other dignitaries on the dais, and most importantly, all the delegates who have come from various parts of India and also from various parts of the world. Almost from 18 countries, delegates have come to participate in this conference. So it is truly an international conference which is focusing on the issues concerning the youth, the challenges that the youth are facing today, and the issues that they are confronting. And there are so many things that is happening around the world, in different parts of the world, whether it is in Africa, whether it is in Asia, whether it is in Europe, America, every country, if you look around today, there are so many controversial issues, so many interesting developments, and for the youth today, it is definitely a lot of opportunities are there for them. And It is how we make use of the present which will impact our future. How we can understand the situation, see where we are heading, and how we can be involved in what is happening. Apart from your education, which of course is very important, your qualification and your education becomes an important part for your future, because that gives you a foundation. But at the same time, I think these kind of conferences is not just about education. It's about how you can cut across barriers. Because it cannot be that it is not just about one person, or it is not about one cause, or about even one country. It is about solidarity. It is how we can bring people together, how we can think in a way which benefits not only ourselves but also the world. And there's so many issues that, so many things that are happening for which there needs to be proper discussion and debate. There are environmental issues, there are issues about civil rights, there are issues concerning women empowerment, human rights, women's rights, transgender rights, so many things, and political movements where we are seeing in many countries democracies are in danger, authoritarian regimes are taking over. So there are a lot of things that are happening around the world. And we need to be also engaging them. The youth needs to engage, the youth needs to understand. And for that, I think there are various ways of doing that. And one of the ways is, I think, this conference. So I want to congratulate the government of Karnataka and the NSS for having organized this program and got so many youths to come and sit together and interact and exchange ideas from various countries and various states. India is like, we have so many states in India. India is actually, if you look at it in some ways, it's a group of many small countries, because there are so many differences in language, in culture, in habits, right across this country. So India itself is such a diverse country. Along with that, so many other, from Sri Lanka, from other Asian countries, African countries, people have come. So when you mingle for the next 3 days, talk to each other and discuss, you will understand, and you'll be able, your mind gets enhanced. Your thinking gets provoked. And some new ideas will come. New ways of doing things will come. And there are also many experts who have come, young people who are speakers, who are panelists, who are experts in their own subjects, who will be taking part in many of the debates, moderating so many events. And I think this kind of exchange is something which is very, very important, because ultimately, the more we are developing as a world, at the same time, there are so many things that are happening which are dividing us also. So many things that are causing violence, so many things that are causing pain to so many people. And we need to, the youth is the one which can change things, because the new ideas, new thoughts, new way of doing things, that comes from a fresh mind, a young mind. And that needs to be empowered. The ability to think, not just to think about your own self, but ability to think and do things which can transform society, which can transform the way we are living, transform the thought process. So, I will not want to speak too long. As a Minister of Health, also I would like to say that health issues also are becoming very important, especially for young people. The habits that we have, the kind of way we are living our life, our lifestyles, these also are causing a lot of health issues amongst our young people. We are seeing early onset of so many diseases, early onset of diabetes, early onset of blood pressure, mental stress, because we are living in a digitized world. We are losing ourselves in the digital space. So we are losing communication skills. Our concentration levels are going down. So mental stress is there, mental issues are there, physical issues or medical issues are there. Young people are getting cancers and heart attacks. All that is happening because of our lifestyle. The kind of food we eat, the kind of habits we have, the kind of, the way we are going about doing things. So this is also a very important part. So I would suggest that as a health minister, all of you think about those things also, because every person is important. Every individual is important. Every person, he should be healthy, he should be able to earn a living, and he should be able to contribute. So for that, good education and good habits, there's nothing which is better than that. So saying these few words, I wish you all the best. I hope that in the next 2-3 days, you will make new friends, understand new things, and learn about so many things which you did not know about. Tell people things that which you knew about and you can share. And the basic slogan for this program, Youth Power, Innovate, Inspire and Impact. I think that's a great slogan. I hope all of you can become inspiring and impactful youngsters and leaders in your respective states and countries. So wish you all the very best and thank you very much.
Speech and wonderful for the inspired words for the youth. So now I request to all the speakers to come to forward and take the aspirations for the mementos for ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದಲೇ ಅವ್ರು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್ ಆಗದಿಂದ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನಂತಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ. ಸೊ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಆಲ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ಸ್ ಸೊ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್. गुंडूराव. सबके प्यार में जोर से फिर से तालियां बजाइए और हमारे Honorable Minister Shriyuta Dinesh Gundu Rao. Thank you sir, thank you so much. So youth inspiration ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಯುವ ಜನತೆಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮನ್ನು ತಾವು ತೊಡಗಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಫುಲ್ ಅಂತಲೇ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರದೀಪ್ Ashwini Shetty, Director, Extension and Outreach, NEPA deemed to be University, and all other dignitaries on and off the dais. Warm greetings to each and every one of you. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this 3-day Global Youth Summit 2025. This international conference is yet another milestone event for Anapaya deemed to be university. I consider it an honor and proud privilege to be the part of this conference organized by the State NSS Cell, Department of Youth, Empowerment and Sports, Government of Karnataka, in association with the National Service Team, NEPA deemed to be university. At the very outset, I would like to place on record that the various events, including Icon Youth 2025 and Global Youth Summit 2025 jointly organized by the Government of Karnataka under the dynamic leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Sri Siddaramaiah and Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Sri D.K. Shivakumar are truly commendable and exemplary. Their tireless effort to bring our youth to the forefront of the national development will go a long way by transforming the growth and the development of India. This conference is made all the more special by the presence of delegates and resource persons from across India and beyond. I wholeheartedly acknowledge the presence of stalwart dignitaries and government officials, and I apologize that due to time constraint, I cannot mention each and everyone by name. Indeed, all of you are change makers yourself. We proudly acknowledge your contribution to this cause in your own ways. Your participation and presence here, in spite of your busy schedule, brings great value and energy to this event. I warmly welcome each one of you. I believe that you all are role model for our youth. I am reminded of a famous quote by Mahatma Gandhi years ago, which aptly reflects your role in this context. Be the change that you wish to see in the world. In the recent concluded international conference, Icon Youth 2025, also held in collaboration with the Government of India, Ministry of Youth Affairs, was indeed huge success. Aptly themed, envisaging India's future, youth as change makers. The event evoked great interest among the participants and became the stepping stone for many more such events to follow. It has been said time and again that India's future rests in the hands of the youth, and at Anapa University, all of us in our role as educators see immense promise in every student. India's vibrant, diverse youth community envisions the future driven by innovation, inclusivity, and integrity. With access to advanced education, digital platforms, and global exposure, they are strategically positioned to address the challenges of our time, from climate change to social equity. Change begins with awareness and is sustained through action. As young change makers, our youth can contribute to meaningfully to nation building, guided by strong sense of purpose and responsibility. With access to technology, education, and global ideas, our youth holds the power to bring about real change. Our responsibility as mentors is to empower them with the right value and opportunities and transform them into agents of change, committed to progress, innovation, and national development. This is clearly asserted in the theme slogan of Global Youth Summit 2025, Youth Power, Innovative, Inspire, and Impact. All the best to all of you. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
ಶಿರಿಗೆ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಆದಂತಹ ಚೇತನ್ ಆರ್ ಅವರು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ಮರಣಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಸಬಲೀಕರಣದ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಿದ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಚೇತನ್ ಆರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದಂತಹ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಏನಪೋಯ ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ಕೊನ್ನಿ ಅವರು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ತಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಗೌರವದ ಸ್ಮರಣಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಗೌರವವನ್ನು ನೀಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದಂತಹ ವೈಸ್ ಚಾನ್ಸಲರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಂ ವಿಜಯ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಇವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕ ಧನ್ಯವಾದವನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಸ್ಮರಣಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಗೌರವಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರೋ ವೈಸ್ ಚಾನ್ಸಲರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ BH ಶ್ರೀಪತಿ ರಾವ್ ನಮಗೆ ಗೌರವಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸ್ಮರಣಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಚಂದ ಕಾಣಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ತಮಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಗಳು. ಸ್ಮರಣಿಕೆಯ ಗೌರವ ತಮಗಾಗಿ ಇದೀಗ. ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ KS ಗಂಗಾಧರ್ ಸೋಮಯಾಜಿ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಸ್ಮರಣಿಕೆಯ ಗೌರವ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣತೆಗಾಗಿ ಶ್ರಮಿಸಿದಂತಹ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಔಟ್ರೀಚ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ನ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ S ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಕಾಣಿಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೀಗ ಬಂದಂತಹ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಿಗೂ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ
Respected Honorable Chancellor Sir, respected Commissioner Sir, Vice Chancellor, Registrar, Pro Vice Chancellor, Registrar, all the delegates, statutory officers of Yenapo University, Pradeep Sir, it's my honor and privilege to propose a vote of thanks on behalf of Organizing Committee, Department of Youth Empowerment and Sports, Government of Karnataka, and Yenapoya deemed to be university. We extend our sincere heartfelt gratitude to Shri Dinesh Gundurao, Honorable Minister, Health and Family Welfare, Government of Karnataka, District Minister of Dakshin Kannada for honoring us with his esteemed presence today. Thank you, sir. Your encouragement and in health initiatives and community service not only uplift the spirit but strengthens a collective resolve to build a healthier and more inclusive society. A special word of appreciation to Shri Chetan Kumar, IPS Commissioner, Department of Youth Empowerment and Sports, for his dynamic leadership and continued support throughout the planning and execution of this summit. A very special note of gratitude our Honorable Chancellor Yenapoya Abdullah Kunni sir, whose unwavering vision, humility and commitment to social upliftment have made this Global Youth Summit 2025 a reality at Yenapoya deemed to be university. Sir, your constant encouragement, silent leadership and generous support, both moral and institutional, have laid the foundation for this international gathering of youth leaders here today at Yenapoya University. Thank you, sir, for your support and guidance. We are deeply thankful to Shri Randeep sir, Secretary to Department of Youth Empowerment and Sports, in his absence for all his support and as he has taken a charge as a Secretary of Tribal Welfare Department. We thank him for all the support and guidance, as well as the Principal Secretary of newly taken over Principal Secretary Naveen Raj Singh for his support. Thanks to Dr. Pratap Lingaya sir, State NSS Officer, for his continuous support, unwavering support, and for the mentorship and efforts in mobilizing, motivating youths beyond Karnataka and across India. Thank you so much, sir, for your support towards organizing this event. We thank our Pro-Chancellor Farad Yenapoya. We thank our Vice Chancellor Dr. M. Vijay Kumar sir for his unwavering support and guidance. We thank Dr. Shripati Rao sir for his support and guidance throughout this conference. We thank Registrar Dr. K.S. Gangadhar Somayaji sir, and we thank all the statutory officers of Yenapoya University. We have here with us Finance Officer and also Dr. Maji ma'am, Dean Student Affairs, and all the HODs, Deans. Thanks for your support.